Hello dear students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In our today's video, we are going to identify drugs from pharmacognosy under category of laxative, cardiotonics and carminative. Students, many times we are unable to understand the drug because we do not know their morphology. So, the basic intention of this video is to make you aware of how that drug appears so that it will be easier for you to understand. So let's begin with our today's video, but before we begin, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. Let's begin, students. So yes, do you know what is this? This is aloe vera, right? Generally we call it as aloe. So its synonym is musabbar and it is dried juice of leaves. Biological source is aloe species like that of Aloe barbadensis, Aloe perry, Aloe ferox, Aloe africana, etc. belonging to family Liliaceae, and it is used internally as purgative and externally in skin disease. So students, now moving to the second image. So do you know what is this? This is the image of, yes, rhubarb, right? So synonym of rhubarb is rhium, and rhubarb consists of rhizomes, okay? So rhizomes of Rhium palmatum and Rhium officinale belonging to family Polygonaceae, and its main use is it acts as mild purgative. Moving to the next one. So this image is of, yes, any idea? This is the image of senna leaf. Okay. Now looking at its synonym. So senna leaf can be also called as Tenny Valley senna or Indian senna, and it consists of dried leaflets. Okay. Its biological source is Cassia angustifolia belonging to the family of Leguminosae, and its use is laxative. Moving further, this is the image of, yes, do you know this? This is Isabgula. Synonym of Isabgula is Isabgul, and it is a dried seeds. Okay. Its biological source is dried seeds of plant known as Plantago ovata belonging to the family of Plantagenaceae, and it is used as bulk laxative in chronic constipation. Okay students, moving further, the next image, yes, do you know this? This image, this is the image of the plant that is digitalis, right? You have heard the digitalis many a times, but you might have not seen how the plant appears. So this is the leaves of digitalis, and the synonym of digitalis is foxglove leaves. It is dried leaves that is used. Its biological source is it consists of dried leaves of digitalis purpurea belonging to the family Scrofulariaceae. Okay, and it is used mainly in congestive cardiac failure. Moving further, so yes students, what is this image of? You can identify that it's a bark, right? What is it? It is, yes, Arjuna, right? So synonym is Arjuna bark, and it consists of dried stem bark. Biological source of Arjuna is it consists of dried stem bark of the plant known as Terminalia Arjuna rob belonging to the family Combretaceae, right? And it is used as cardiotonic as well as diuretic. Moving further, so students, can you identify this image, right? This is the image of cardamom, right? And its synonyms are cardamom fruit or cardamom seed. Okay, so generally cardamom consists of dried ripe fruits of Elateria cardamomum belonging to the family Gingiberaceae, and it is used as carminative as well as flavoring agent. Moving to the next image. The next image is of, yes students, what is this? This is the image of clove, right? And talking about its synonym, so clove is also known as Caryophyllum or clove bird, okay? It is also called as long, right? Then it is dried flower birds and its biological source is Eugenia cryophyllus. Its family is Myrtaceae and it is used as carminative, flavoring agent, antiseptic, as well as it is used in dental pain. Moving further, so yes students, can you identify this image? Do you know this? This is the image of cinnamon, okay? And synonym for cinnamon is cinnamon bark or Ceylon cinnamon, and it is the dried inner bark of shoots. Then its biological source is Cinnamomum xylanicum belonging to family Lauraceae, right? And it is used as carminative, flavoring agent, antiseptic, as well as mild astringent. Then the next image. So this image is of, yes, what is this? It is nutmeg, right? So this is the image of nutmeg. Then talking about its synonym. So nutmeg is also known as Myristica or Nux moscata. It is also called as Jaifer. Then its biological source is, it consists of dried kernels of seeds of Myristica, fragrance belonging to the family Myristicaceae, and it is used as carminative and flavoring agent. Moving further, so yes students, what is this image of? Yes, this is the image of Asafoetida, right? So Asafoetida, its synonym is devil's dung or gum asafoetida. Then talking about its biological source, so Asafoetida as such is oleogum resin obtained by making incision from living rhizomes and roots of Ferula foetida or Ferula rubricolis, right? And its family is Umbelliferae. Then it is used for the purpose of carminative, flavoring agent, as well as it is used as intestinal antiseptic. Then moving to the next drug. So students, can you identify what is this? Yes, right. It's the image of black pepper. And its synonym, it is sometimes only known as pepper, and its biological source is, it consists of dried unripe fruits of Piper nigrum Linn, right? Belonging to family Piperaceae, and it is used as carminative, stimulant, as well as aromatic. Then moving to the next one. So next, this is the image of, you know this very well, right? So this is ginger, and its synonym is gingiber or gingiberis, and once it is dried it is known as sont, right? And its biological source is, it consists of rhizomes of Gingiber officinale belonging to family of Gingiberaceae, and it is used as carminative, stimulant, as well as flavoring agent. Moving further students, so yes, identify this image. This image is of, yes, you know this very well, right? So this is ajovan, right? In Hindi it is called as ajwain. And talking about its synonym, so ajovan is also known as bishop's weed. Now talking about its biological source, so as such ajovan consists of dried ripe fruits of the plant known as Trichospermum ami, and it belongs to family Umbelliferae. It is used for the purpose of carminative, stimulant, as well as antispasmodic. Moving to the next one. So this next image is of, yes, do you know this? Yes, you might be knowing this, right? So it is the image of fennel, right? And here are the synonyms and other parameters about this drug. So phenyl, that is somph, right? You also know it as somph, and its synonym are, you can also call it as phenyl fruit or Fructus phenolicum. And talking about its biological source, so fennel consists of dried ripe fruit of the plant, that is Foeniculum vulgar, belonging to the family Umbelliferae, and it is used as carminative, stimulant as well as flavoring agent. Moving to the next drug. So yes students, what is this? This is the image of coriander, right? It is, in Hindi it is called as dhania, and its biological source or synonym is coriander fruit. Then biological source, it consists of fully dried ripe fruits of plant known as Coriandrum sativum Linn, belonging to family Umbelliferae, and it is used as carminative, stimulant and flavoring agent. So that's all in this video students. Thank you for watching this video till end.